going to do another gel design on this nail. We've already built the base up with acrylic, so we're ready for his gel to go straight on. We're going to do quite a simple design underneath because we're going to do some hand painted on top, and then I'm going to show you how to make the hand painted look 3D. So we're starting off with this cover pink. I'm not making a set smile line. And I'm just quite randomly placing these colours on. Letting them merge into each other. And then we're going to add a little bit of cracked ice. By just dipping your brush, because your brush is still quite sticky from the gel, into the cracked ice and placing it on the nail. If you want to merge your colours in any more, you can. And then that nail needs to go into the lamp for about 20 seconds to set. So we're just going to check if this nail needs any more glitter anywhere. The gel will still be sticky, so you'll still be able to apply a bit more. And then you can start to add extra layers of your colours. But these layers will be quite bold because they're going on top. So I'm using mine to draw with. So really small amounts. Tip of your brush. And then that can go into the lamp for a full 3 minutes. So we can encase this whole nail now in our clear gel. So just a thin coat over everything. Make sure you get all the way around those glitters. Nice and close to the cuticle, but make sure you don't touch. And then we can put our builder layer on. Point of your brush to move it. I'm going to have to do a little bit more work on this one than some of the previous designs because the glitter's there. It's a case of making sure all that glitter gets encased. So because we spent time making sure that that glitter is covered, you will lose your structure a little bit. So if you get your model to turn a hand upside down for me, what that'll do is gravity will pull that gel to the centre of the nail because it's self-levelling. So then when we turn it back over, it can level back out before you put it in the lamp. Okay, turn that back. So then you can check your stress point on your nail to see if it's in the right place. If it isn't, use your tip of your brush to pull it, and that nail can go back into the lamp for 3 minutes. So this nail now needs the residue wiping off the top. Place your wipe on, wipe forward, turn the wipe over, wipe again. You're going to file this nail. We'll need a little bit more filing just because of that glitter. If there's any little bits of cracked ice that are stood up, then you'll just need to file them smoother. But again, gel is a lot softer to file, so there's no need for so much pressure. Check your stress point. And like I say, we are going to do some hand painted on this nail, so we need the surface to be smooth. So use your white block. And then you can get rid of your dust. So we're going to do some one-stroke flowers. So load your paint up, blend it on your skin. And what I'm going to do is use the bits of cracked ice as the centre of the flower. Then we're going to use our detailer brush to highlight those flowers, those petals. So a bit of water into your black, so that it's nice and thin. Brush up at a nice 90-degree angle. Still with our black, we're going to do some little buds. So coming away from the flower, nice and thin, and then press down. Moving on to your white. You know, some little dots inside the flower, but leaving a gap in the middle so you can still see that cracked ice. And then when the gel top coat goes on, you'll really be able to see that. So the next stage is to get your clear gel and you're going to pick up small beads of clear gel, place them onto the petals so that the petals look almost 3D. So working around the shape of those petals, not filling the whole flower in, just the petals. And because you're working on a dry surface and there's no wet layer under there, that gel will stay where you put it. That can go into the lamp for 1 minute. So this nail's now ready for a gel top coat. And back into the lamp for 2 minutes. So to finish this nail off, just a bit of cuticle oil, massage it in. And that's that gel nail done.